Unit 9, Backup Archive Client Functions. When you complete this unit, you'll be able to describe and compare the types of possible backups. Use the TSM Backup Archive GUI to backup and restore files from a client. Also use the command line to backup and restore files from a client. And use the TSM Backup Archive GUI to archive and retrieve client files. Up to this point, we've pretty much been talking about server functions. In the previous unit, Unit 8, we talked about options that you can set for your client. This unit, Unit 9, we're going to do backups, restores, archives, and retrieves. Let's talk a little bit about networks. You can have a storage area network, which is a dedicated network just for backing up and restoring, archiving, and retrieving your client data. What happens is the actual data travels on the storage area network, and the metadata, everything about the backup, goes to the database via the local area network. The local area network is perfectly fine for backing up your data. If you're backing up a lot of application data, databases, really large files, you'd see some benefit of using a storage area network to offload those files onto a dedicated network. In our lab environment, we're going to be using a local area network. A little bit of review over backup and restore. Backup is going to be making a copy of the object to be kept in case you need to recover it. When you restore an object, you're bringing back a copy. The original copy stays in your backup. When you do a restore, you can restore a file to the original location, to a different location. You can even restore an inactive version. So you can go back in time and restore a backup. However many versions you have depends on how you've set up your management class. Tivoli Storage Manager uses what is called the progressive incremental backup. Only changed data is backed up. The first time a file is backed up, it's all new. Therefore, it's all backed up. Then, as the file changes, you're only backing up the changed portion. This cuts way back on your backup window as well as your storage space. Tivoli Storage Manager database keeps track of where all the parts are of all the different versions of the file. When you do a restore, TSM knows where to get the data.